Okay, so this is my homemade tool for measuring string action on my guitars. Action is the height of the string above the fret. In other words, how far you have to push the fret down, push the string down to make contact with the fret. Okay, here's how it works. Basically, we have a dial indicator here. As this thing moves up and down, you can see the needle move. It's graduated in thousandths of an inch, so I'll be able to measure fret action, in this case on the first fret, because I'm working on the nut here, in thousandths of an inch, to plus or minus a couple thousandths of accuracy, I think, in terms of repeatability. In any case, so why is that picking there? Well, you'll find out in just a second. This is set up with my multimeter over here, and it's set up to alarm when the circuit is completed that I've set up here. So when this makes contact with the string, it will close the circuit and we'll get an alarm. That'll indicate that I've made contact and I can zero my meter and measure action from there. Let's see how it works. Okay, pull the pick out, drop the hammer, it's spring loaded, so you get the alarm action because it's making contact with the string and the circuit's closed. So now we have to set it till it just barely touches the string. You have to zero it. It's pretty close already, but okay, it's zeroed now, so I can let go of it and gently pincher this to push the string all the way down to the fret. And what we measure is an action of about 21 or 22 thousandths of an inch. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. And maybe 23 thousandths. As I said, that's probably accurate. This is probably accurate to plus or minus 2 thousandths. So not quite as accurate as the StewMac tool that it's meant to emulate. In any case, so 22, 23 thousandths. That's more than I should have for that string. According to Dan at StewMac, I should have on the order of 15 or 16 thousandths. So the string is further above the fret than it should be. So I know a little bit of nut work is required to get that down. So anyway, that's how my homemade system works, using electrical circuit to tell when I'm making contact. And I also have a one of these finger gauge meters, which is has blades, so-called feeler gauges, down to very, very shallow. And this is useful for probing a variety of things on the guitar. Okay. But in terms of measuring fret clearance between the strings, this tool is vastly better. And it has this used stuff I already had in my little machine shop, so it worked out real well. All right, hope this helps.